I've been having an absurd amount of fun lately, playing around with Claude and a few other AI tools. I started out just experimenting to see what was possible, but along the way I ended up building things I actually use. A news aggregator, a notification tool, web pages, forms and workflows, all from scratch. At some point a friend asked me what my daily token usage was and I had no idea. Then yesterday I maxed out my Claude plan, which felt like a pretty clear signal that I should probably start paying attention. Claude does have a usage section buried in the settings, but it's way too clunky for what I was thinking about. All I really wanted was a small widget I could tuck into the corner of my desktop. Always there, mostly out of sight, quietly keeping me informed. It started simply, build me a desktop widget that shows my token usage over time. And just like that, there it was, a small floating window with numbers, a chart, and a nice purple and black colour scheme. Honestly, I was grinning from that first version. It felt a little bit magical. I could just describe a tool and suddenly it existed. But of course I couldn't leave it alone. I started thinking, what if I could see when I'm getting close to my limits? So I added colour coding, keep the purple when I'm safe, orange when things start creeping up, and red when I'm nearing the threshold. Simple idea, not so simple implementation. Getting the gradients right turned out to be surprisingly tricky. As the details became more refined, my language had to evolve with it. Make it more orange wasn't going to cut it anymore. I had to be much more precise in how I described what I wanted. Pure purple from 0 to 60%, transition to orange between 60 and 80, and only hit red at 100%. The more specific I got, the better the results became. What really surprised me though, was how far that initial idea could go with the right conversation. We added a compact mode, resizable windows, live file watching and co-work session support, and that's been the most satisfying part. The progression from a rough idea to a polished, thoughtful little tool, where every refinement came from tightening how I communicated intent. Starting vague just to get something working, then getting increasingly specific. The tool rewards precision, but it also rewards curiosity. What began as a simple experiment turned into something genuinely useful and honestly kind of delightful. And I'm definitely not done yet. It still doesn't pull usage from Claude Chat, only co-work and code. So if anyone knows how to wire that in, I still have a few tokens to burn.